Hey guys, about to unbox this Element Case Black Ops series. Let's get into it. I'm doing this with one hand, recording off my iPhone 7 Plus. So just bear with me. So we're getting into it. Let me get it. Okay, there's nothing else in the box. Just this. Alright, so case will be going on to this phone right here. Yeah. Right now I have the clear Apple case going to this. I wish I had a stand, but I don't have a stand, so this is how the case looks. Yeah, my Apple logo lights up. It's a custom made phone. Oh, this is closed moving. Okay. This is basically the tools, I'm pretty sure, to undo the case. I can get it to open. Yeah. Tools to get the case open, extra screws, replaceable screws. When I say this is like a keychain, this is like a paracord. You can clip it on a case, like right there at the bottom, and clip this part on your book bag or pants or something. Here's the case. Looks nice. And it feels nice. I had one of these when it first came out. Hold on. Right here, the Black Ops sector. This was the very, very first one. It broke on me. But same idea. So let me put y'all on pause and get ready to install. Alright, so far I undid that screw, the bottom screw, did that, and I'm about to go ahead and put this phone in there. So basically, these 4 back screws are connected to the sides. The 2 screws I took off earlier is connected to the back, so you have to do the back to take the sides off to put the phone in. So basically, it's in there. You have to pinch the sides to take it off. Just how the instructions were. So basically, you're just installing these back on there and screwing it back on, and basically the case is on. I will be right back while I finish installing it. So yeah, it's done. I'm gonna have to take it off sometime soon. Yeah, because there's a crack in the screen, but overall, nice. Feels good in the hand.